Hi friends, today we will solve a problem that Leetcode problem number 25 reverse nodes in K group. What the problem is saying, it's a hard problem actually. Given the head of the linked list, reverse the nodes of the list K at a time and return the modified list. K is a positive integer and is less than or equal to the length of the linked list. If the number of nodes is not a multiple of k, then left out nodes in the end should remain as it is. You may not alter the values of the list nodes, only nodes themselves may be changed. Okay. So what does it mean? That it is just one an example. First the linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K is equal to 2 means we will be given as a linked list and a number positive integer number k, and we need to reverse that number of nodes in this linked list. So here k is equal to 2, so you have to reverse 2 nodes at a time. So 1 and 2, 2 and 1 reverse, 3 4, 4 3 and reverse, 5 present, last, no elements are there, we cannot reverse it. Here 1 2 3 4 5 is k, 2 2 3 4 5 is given, k equal to 3, 1 2 3, so we need to reverse 3 elements. We need to reverse how much elements? 3 elements at a time. So 3 2 1. After that 4 5 is remaining. Shall we reverse? No. Why? Because here it is written k is a positive integer and is less than or equal to the length of the linked list. If the number of the nodes is not multiple of k, then left out nodes in the end should remain as it is. So remaining nodes are 2. So 2 is not a multiple of 3. So that's why we will not reverse this nodes. Okay. So here is the nodes are given that k 5000 k less than k's value can be equal to n, means length of the linked list, and node value can be 0 to 1000. Okay. So that's the case actually here, that we should not reverse the last part if it is not the multiple of k. So how can we do that? First of all, we will calculate the length of the list 1 2 3 4 5 5. K is 3. So how many times we can reverse it? K and n by k, 5 by 3, 1. So one group is we can reverse. Okay, and rest we will left aside. And first we will reverse this 1 2 3 2 3 2 1. We will take 2 pointer prev next and another pointer to track of the current node current. So prev is null, next is null initially, current is pointing to 1 to the head. Then we will and also track of that count during reversing. Next is pointing to 2. Okay. This current dot next will be pointing to prev, and this current dot next will be pointing to prev. Okay. Prev will be current and next current will be next here. Again prev is this one, current is this one, and current dot next is this one. So next will be current dot next, means this one. Current dot next will be prev. Prev will be this one, and then current is equal to this one. Okay, now when we reached here, at that point of time my count is already reduced, become reached to 3. From here we 0 to 1 2 3, here it become 3. So we will not reverse it again, we'll just stop our reversing, and now when 3 will comes, that time next will be assigned to 4. Okay, so this 3 to 1 will become 4 5, but we will not reverse this area, we'll return from there. Okay, so this is the approach we will take. So first what we will do, we'll calculate the length. Let me write this. Calculate the length check how many groups are possible, reverts in a group of k, then return the new head. Okay, this is the approach that we follow. To do that, I will write one method function. I will come to that why I am writing a new method group. Then list node. Okay, and I will pass these values. Now what we will do, we will take it to variable prev, that is list node, variable next, current is equal to head, and while now another variable we need, that variable count, that will be 0. So you track of that it is that reversing is reached k or not. If current is not equal to nil and count is less than k. Okay, so as usual what we do in the reversing a linked list, that part we will do, that next equal to current dot next prev, current dot next equal to prev, current dot next is equal to prev, prev equal to will be current and current is equal to next. Now if current equal to plus equal to 1 and current is not equal to nil, then what we will do, current that, see till here we are just checking that I am reversing it or not, and see till here we are reversing and checking that it is count is less than equal to k. So now here we reached, and means if you take the example that 1 to 3 and I am reversing till 3 to 1, this is happens. Now my next node is, means the current node is 4, but count is already reached k, so we come out of this loop and we reached here. So we need to assign that 1 next equal to next node of 1 is 4. Which one is node 1? Node 1 is my head node. So head dot next will be equal to, so we will solve it recursively, reverse group, and we will take it as head comma k. The recursive way we are solving it, that we reverse group head comma k. Correct? Current is not equal to nil, then means sorry, not head, it will be current dot k. Current is my next one, so this head dot next will be started from here, current. From here we will start the reversing. Okay, and if it is completed, means null, then it will come out from here. Okay, so now my, what should I return from here? We should return that which is pointing to node 3, this one, that is my prep, right? Because when my current pointer is 1, right, current pointer is reached here during reversing, then my prep pointer is 3, so you will simply return prep from here, and from here you will return I'll tell you, it will not work, it will fail, but to make you understand I am writing this way. It will fail. Yes, wrong answer. See, input is 1 2 3 4 5, k equal to 3, 3 to 1 is reverse, but it is reverse this part as well. But as during the initial problem statement I was saying that if the last two elements count is less than my multiple of k, it is not multiple of k, then we should not reverse this. 2 is not multiple of k, so we should not reverse this. So how will we tackle this? So as we were discussing that we will calculate the length as I written here, length, then check how many groups are possible. Now variable count is equal to 0 and variable temp equal to head. we will calculate the length. So now you understood, right, why we made this, need to make these two step. While temp is not equal to nil. Okay, temp equal to temp dot next, and we will increase the count pointer to 1. Got it. Okay, now how many number of groups are possible? How many groups are possible? That length that we get that here, count divided by k. Okay, now let's say my whole count is 5 and k is also 5, so my group count will be 1, so only one reversal is possible. Okay, and that will reverse the whole the list. Here also 1 is possible and it will reverse till 3, then it will come out. Now I will add another attribute here, another parameter here, group count is int, and every time when we will complete this one group reversal, right, we will return, we will pass that group count minus 1, means yes, that much group count is done. Sorry, means that much group reversal is done. Okay, that group count minus 1. So now when it will reverse till 3, so my group count first will come return as 1, so it will pass here as 1 minus 1 0. So if it is 0, that point of time we should not allow this reversal. Group count is equal to 0, then we should directly return the head. Means as it is 5 by 3 1, it will come to here, it will not reverse, it will directly return head, which is the head node at that point 4. So 3 to 1 will be 4 5. Okay, this is the way. Now let me run it. Oh yeah, we have not passed this. It will be group count here. Now it is accepted. Let me to submit this. Yes, it's solved. Okay, now the time complexity, space complexity. So let me to revise these steps again. First we will calculate the length, then we will check how many group is possible, then we will pass this head and the k value and the group count. If group count is reached 0, means all the possible groups are reversed, we will return the head, else we will start the reversing. The normal reversing logic, just extra check we put count is less than k, because we need to reverse in a group of k. Now if that group k is done, we'll move out from this loop, and if check that if current is not equal to null, means it is reached here and it is still null, now it is not null, then we will pass this head next, means head is this one, head point, so head is come to here because you have reversed it. Head dot next is equal to again reverse group current k, group count minus 1. The time complexity is order of n. Why? Because we are iterating all the nodes one by one. Space complexity, we have not expressed normally here, but because of this recursive stack we are taking some space. So how many recursive calls we can do, how many groups are possible here, that is count by k, that means length by k, so n by k. So order of n slash k. So that's the time complexity and that's the space complexity. So hope you have enjoyed this video and gained some knowledge. So if you like this video, please tap the like button, and if you want to get this kind of videos in future, learning videos, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.